ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
This is the third game of 10 dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas, Baron Mercado, covering the action for today. Kanina nakakita na tayo ng isang team from CDO in the under-14 division taking their first win convincingly. Tignan natin sa ating unang laro in the under-16 if the team from CDO can make it 2 in a row or itong mga taga-Leyte naman ang makakuha ng panalo at para magpakilala sa atin dito sa Battle of Champions 2026. CDO wearing their white jerseys pero itong naka-dark ang Leyte. Sa kanila ang unang puntos ng ating laro courtesy of that basket. We'll get another opportunity here. Belandar will finish on that shot. Justin scoring their 4th point of the game. Adong sends it, a jumper that is off the mark, and one opportunity getting that basket to go in is AJ Kibla for the first 2 points para dito sa CDO. So para sa ating under-16, kanina medyo mabilis yung laro ng ating mga under-14. Now in this under-16, dito na mas nagiging maayos ang sistema ng basketball as a stepping on that jumper. Hindi lang nakompleto ni AJ Kibla yung kanyang 3-point play opportunity, but for CDO that puts them on the board for the first time today. Again, kanina naglaro na yung under-14 ng CDO. They were impressive, scoring 102 points sa ating unang laro. Second game natin, overtime agad. And let's see dito sa ating third game, ano ang ating magiging takbo. Looking to pressure the ball here for the first few parts. Goes for the spin. That fade away, jumper won't fall. Rebound secured by AJ. Kibla has a point and a rebound. Sasalaksak inside is Adong. At makakakuha ng foul as early as the 7-minute 33 mark in our contest. Mahatma Adong will now be at the line. He will miss on the first. Pero this is only the first quarter, so just a warm-up for these two squads. Just gonna go here and set the tone as early as the first quarter. Mahatma Adong couldn't get that free throw through drop. So pagkakataon naman ng mga players from Leyte. Delantra, who scored earlier. Here he is, Justin. Didiskarte dito, grounded by the defense. Way downtown for three. That is off the mark, offensive rebound. Putback won't work and a foul during that putback. As we'll go to the line, shooting his 2 free throws. Sinks the first free throw. A clean looking free throw there para sa kampo ng taga Leyte. That is a Matt Sebastian introducing us to his gameplay early. Mintis yung kanyang pangalawang free throw na a chance to run for Palmes Farm CDO. A turnover on the other side, looking to make a counter run of their own and scooping that shot in. A nice layup by the Saints on that finish. Looking to make their doopsie-doo moment there. Hindi makakakuha ng opportunity as a block was made on the other side. 6 minutes 35 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. 7-4 is the score. Leyte with a 3-point lead. One hand floater that won't fall. Sebastian throws it. Justin Delantar all the way. A quick timeout will be called here by the camp from CDO. After that Justin Delantar basket, we'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to.
And that putback goes in. Getting that basket para dito sa Palmes Farm. So Matt Sebastian will sit. So Russell Alimong, siya naman ang pupunta sa free throw area. Tignan natin kung makukumpleto ni Russell ang kanyang 3-point play. He will knock down the opportunity, cutting the lead here to 2 para sa CDO. Leyte will look to make a counter run here with 5 minutes 55 remaining. As both teams mahigpit agad ang depensa early on into this game as they force a turnover. Talking about Palmes Farm CDO. Yan yung kanilang under 14, nanalo na kanina. scoring 102 points. Impressive so far, and a steal on the other side by the guys from Leyte, zigzagging his way in. Benedict De La Cruz scores his first 2 points of the contest, of that steal, of that zigzag. And referees will drop the foul on the side here for CDO. So a penalty situation. Isa pa para dito kay Alimong. Missed on the first one. Misses on the second. And now on the run. Looking to score once again itong Leyte. What a shot. Goes in. Justin Delantar has at least 4 points in this opening quarter as we are 4 minutes 55 remaining. Offensive rebound. Shot won't fall. Russell Alimong with an offensive rebound. Masyadong siksikan dun sa baseline. At least 2 players wearing white on the same area. Kaya nung medyo sumikip, has no choice but to turn the ball over there. And just like that, lamang na ng 6 itong taga Leyte. De La Cruz will lose the possession. Here's Delantar. Rejected. Good effort on the side there. Will make a counter steal. Easy basket. Better defense on the other side. Not giving up on that play. Sayang yun para dito kay Philip Conise. Couldn't complete that play for the Saints. Approaching the final 4 dito sa ating first quarter. Nice stop by Adong. Mahatma Adong defended by De La Cruz. Here is Adong. Couldn't shake off the defense. Goes for the follow-up instead. Won't work. And a foul will be called on the Saints on that box out play. I believe the foul will be called here for the Saints. Kikita natin, kinakausap siya ng ating referees on that box out play. As Mahatma Adong will be at the line once again, missing on his free throws. Failed to cut the lead here ay itong CDO. .345 remaining. Gets that rebound. On the right side, they discarded to cut the lead here with 3 minutes 35 remaining. Stepping back, shooting, missing. Couldn't get that basket to go in. Sayang yun para kay Yuan Minyosa. Corner shot, won't fall. And another shot here, tutakbo. Itong kampo ng CDO, a top reverse for that one. O that is MJ Pangusan scoring for that one. After missing a couple of shots and a steal, possession, balik ang bola dito sa Leyte. 13-9 ang ating score dito with 2 minutes 50 remaining. De La Cruz has the ball, sends it on the left. Jumper from the corner, too aggressive on the closeout. Tatawagan ng foul para dito sa kampo ng Palmes Farms. Sani Alupani will be called for that one. And shooting is a Philip Conise para dito sa Tacloban. Missing on the first one is Philip. So a lane violation on that last play. Balik tayo dito sa kampo ng CDO Palmas Farms. Adong looking to break the defense of De La Cruz with 2:30 to go. Minyoza turns the ball away. Stepping out of bounds. Sayang yun para ay Delantar. But getting some approval, getting some cheers for his teammates. Napaka-solid nga naman ng defensive effort na ni Justin Delantar. With 2 minutes 10 remaining, didiskarte once again Mahatma Adong. A steal by De La Cruz. Here he is, pulling up for 3. That is off the mark. Referees will call a dribbling violation, as MJ will be called for that violation. 13-9. A minute 40 remaining. Looking to finish the first quarter strong ay itong mga taga Leyte led by Justin Delantar. Corner 3 on the way. That won't go. Gets that rebound. Minyoza will push the pace against one defender of that spin. Better tap. Defense prevails on that last play. Again, a special shout out to everyone dyan nanunood from a CDO to Leyte. Isang magandang araw po. If meron po kung mga mami-mispronounce na names, just comment down in the comment section. Iko-correct po natin yan as Justin Delantar couldn't hit on that jumper. Minyoza on that attack and will be fouled by De La Cruz as he went up for that layup. So this is a Minyoza at the line, wearing number 7. Number 70 naman para dito sa kampo ng Palmas Farm ay itong si MJ Pagusan. So let's see if Minyoza can hit his free throws. 1 out of 2 para kay U1. Again, under 16 matchup. Low scoring ball game. Both teams playing defense but also having some troubles in the offensive end as early as now. Pero first quarter pa lamang tayo dito. A lot of time. Speaking of defense and not converting on the same area. Nakakuha ka ng stop, hindi mo na-convert on the layup. Balik ang bola sa Leyte. Delantar to De La Cruz. Balik kay Justin. Delantar thought about that 3 with 15 seconds on the shot clock. De La Cruz sends it on the right. Shovel pass. Shot is up and in. Scoring for Leyte. I believe that was Conise scoring for Leyte. Lamang na ng 5 ang mga players from Leyte. Again, this is only the players that has been the first runner-up sa kanilang mga probinsya but has given an opportunity to be in this spot to play in the Battle of Champions. Turnaround jumper. Better defense by Minyoza. 3 seconds to go. Minyoza couldn't hit that buzzer beater. But we will end our opening quarter with both teams playing solid defense, making some necessary stops as Leyte is up here 15-10. A lot of basketball to play here. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior MPB.
Start of the second quarter. Ayun po, thank you sa correct MJ Pagunsan para dito sa kampo naman ng CDO. Thank you po for correcting, and nakita ko pa shoutout to support Benedict de la Cruz. Maganda ang naging performance ni Benedict on that first quarter. As we start off the second quarter dito sa loob ng Banana Court, 11-15 is the score after that free throw made by Nunez. As Wave scores both free throws, lamang ng tatlo itong mga players from Leyte. They go for that attack. Nice rejection. Better defense to start. So to wrap up yung mga nangyari, yung ating first game, puro opensa. Yung second game natin, that was a very, very good game. Dikdikan ang laban. Pero dito sa ating third game so far, we're seeing a lot of defense played. Evident with that block by Nunez. What a move! Breaking behind his back, wrap around layup. Wave goes for that wrap around for that clean finish to start off the second quarter. Lead is down to 1. Didiskarte once again itong mga taga Leyte. Sebastian carves some space. Won't fall. Follow up won't work. Balik ulit on this side for Leyte, and now a throw. Didiskarte once again. Nunez. 3 players to beat. Goes on the right side. Balik kay Nunez. Wave. Shoots. Will be drawing the foul and will be shooting his free throw after that highlight of a move. Para dito kay Wave. Missing on the first one. Sayang yung opportunity for Nunez, but what a move he made earlier. Goes behind his back, wrap around, and shoots that layup, and now completes the first shot of a 3-point play. Couldn't get that basket. Balik dito kay Sebastian. Sends it out. Balik. Matt will finish. Second chance works para dito kay Matt Sebastian. What a find by his teammate right there. Just unselfish on the other side. Yun nga lang, a bit too aggressive. Here's Benedict de la Cruz back in this game, playing defense. Balik dito sa CDO ang possession dito with 7:40 remaining. A 3 by Nunez, and he drops it in. What energy by Wave Nunez in this game. 6 points dito sa ating second quarter. Lamang na sila ng tatlo because of that 3-point bomb by Wave Nunez. De la Cruz, Didiskarte once again, sends it out. Fake steps back, 3. In and out on the finish. Offensive rebound, turnaround. Okay. On that last one. Makes on the first one with 7:08. Again, Wave Nunez has been a spark. 6 points na si Nunez dito. makes both free throws on the side of the Saints. Action is now starting to pick up. 20-19 ang ating score. Guys from CDO looking to make something happen here. After that, 6-point swing para dito kay Nuez in this ball game. As Canha will be forced to a turnover because of the effort of De La Cruz para sa Leyte. De La Cruz starts off the play, gives it in the middle. Sebastian will lose the ball, but recovered quickly by his teammate on the corner. Got 5 seconds to shoot on the shot clock. Let's see if they can take a shot off. 24-second shot clock violation. Five minutes, 28 remaining as De La Cruz steals and scores all the way. What defense being showed by Benedict De La Cruz. Kaya sure ako yung nagpapa-shoutout kay Benedict, supporting him, very happy on his impact in this game. With 5 minutes 35 remaining here in the second quarter. Back and forth. Kanina lamang ang Leyte because of that 6-point swing ni Wave Nuez. Nakuha ng CDO at ngayon balik na naman sa Leyte ang 3-point lead after that one-hand jumper going in para dito sa Saints. Goes on the left side. 5:03 remaining. Jumper won't fall. Another opportunity. Minyoza couldn't make it work. And one, says CDO, looking for the tie here after the tough basket by AJ Kibla. He has made everything work inside the paint para dito sa CDO, talking about Kibla. AJ completes the 3-point play. Tabla na naman tayo at 23. De La Cruz almost stripped there, has the ball and will lose it eventually. Minyoza was able to recover. Looking to beat the double team. Nice pass. Here is Mahatma with a shot. Won't fall. As Adong couldn't hit the basket there. But possession will go back on the side of CDO. AJ Kibla starts off the play. Adong looking to make an isolation play. Fakes, step through, jumper is good. Loves that matchup. Kaya kinol niya ng ISO, naka-score itong si Adong. 4 minutes to go, almost a steal, recovery by Benedict De La Cruz. 25 all ang ating score dito after that Benedict De La Cruz steal and basket once again. Speaking of steal, they will get an opportunity but just couldn't take advantage of that one. It was a 3-on-2 break na hindi nakakuha ng pagkakataon. Pagunsan on the background there, defending one of the players from Leyte as they will have possession, looking to break the tie once again. De derecho on the left, that won't fall. Solid stop, solid rebound. A chance here for Leyte, traveling nga lang. Happened right in front of our referees. Balik sa CDO ang bola with 3 minutes 12 remaining here. Nice strip. Now on the run, looking to make it up for that traveling call, and they score. 27-25. Pagunsan will lose the ball on the run once again. Again, these teams playing solid defense all throughout here. Usually, itong score natin, 27-25. Good for the first quarter, but not for these teams. Both playing defense, we have a timeout call on the floor.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng
14 seconds on the shot clock. Balik ang bola dito sa Saints. Susubukan dumiskarte once again. Justin will draw the foul. Kakapasok lang. Delantar will be at the line here, looking to give them a 4-point lead. Here's Justin Delantar. Solid first quarter. Will miss on the first. Again, as we wait for the free throw, would like to acknowledge our Commissioner Kit Picazo, in attendance for all 10 games today. Sasamahan niya tayo dito at sasamahan ko rin kayo all throughout the day for our coverage dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Making for that no-look pass. It is a 1-on-3 break. Let's see how will the guys from CDO make it work. MJ for 2. MJ Pagunsan scores on that left floater. Tabla na naman tayo at 27 with a minute 53 remaining dito sa ating first half of action. Better defense on the side here of CDO. Mahatma sends it. Minyoza won't score. Will get his rebound against 3 defenders. Solid defense being played here by Leyte. Pagkakataon na naman, Justin Delantar with a miss. Gets his rebound. Delantar once again. Jumper is in. Makes the first basket here in the second quarter is Justin Delantar. Will pound the ball inside. Minyoza thought about that 3. Inches closer. Shoots and scores. Juan Minyoza has scored once again for the squad. Tabla na naman tayo at 29. A solid defensive game we're having. And a glimpse of offense for both teams. Delantar scored earlier from the corner. Bumawi naman itong si Juan Minyoza on the other side. With 54.5 seconds remaining, let's see who will have the advantage as we are approaching the halfway point mark of our ball game. Third game of 10 for today. Benedict de la Cruz. What a spark off the bench. Gonna make some run. Nice pass for the big and just rolls that basket in. AJ Kibla still continues to play well for them. Breaking the tie once again. Delantar drives, scores again. He is straight up a bucket getter. Talking about Justin Delantar. Mahatma Adong on the other side. Susubukan makabawi pero sa free throw area niya gagawin after receiving that foul. 14 seconds 15.4 seconds remaining as Mahatma Adong will now shoot his free throw and he will miss, unfortunately, on the first. Sinks the second. So 1 point lead na lang para dito sa Leyte as Delantar and De La Cruz has been leading the charge here in offense. Here's Justin. 8 seconds to go. Balik kay Benedict. De La Cruz on that one-hand floater. Siya naman ang mag-shoot ng free throws. Adong, 1 out of 2 kanina para sa CDO. Let's see if De La Cruz can make his free throws as a Benedict De La Cruz will be at the line. Again, a solid spark off the bench. Knocks down the first one. I believe he was supposed to be part of the starting 5. Itong si De La Cruz. Kaso may pinatanggal ata na headband or hairband dito kay De La Cruz. That's why he was coming off the bench. And now he's producing well off the bench. So maybe a new look for this latest squad. As Minyoza will lose the possession pero last touch para kay Delantar. 35 to 32, 2.3 seconds to go. Minyoza sends it. Mahatma will miss that basket. And we end our first half 35 to 32 Leyte with a 3-point lead. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin?
We're back. Third quarter action. Leyte versus CDO in the under-16 division. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court in Las Piñas, the home of the PBA Pocket League, the Junior MPBL Pocket League. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Pocket League. Baron Mercado covering the action, and we're seeing an intense ball game between the Leyte Saints and CDO Palmes Farm. Again, if I would summarize our contest for today, it is defense between these two teams as Minyoza couldn't hit on that free throw line floater. One of the heroes for Leyte Saints ay itong si Benedict De La Cruz, who took too much time, masyadong nag-relax itong si Benedict De La Cruz on bringing down the ball for the side of Leyte. Nababasa ko sa ating comment section. Maraming nanonood sa atin dito, especially one of my good friends, Jessica Sakay. Jessica, special shoutout sa'yo kung nanonood ka pa. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. And of course, sa mga kaibigan ni De La Cruz here who has the ball, marami ring nanonood. Nice pass by Benedict and just feeding his big inside. What an unselfish play by Benedict De La Cruz, finding his big, that is Carlo, scoring, I believe, his first points. Minyoza will lose the possession. Will be last touch on the side of Leyte. Balik ang bola dito sa CDO Palmes Farm. 5-point lead. Ooh, a risky pass on that last one. If you're CDO as early as the third quarter with 7:25, need to take care of that ball. Dahil naghahabol kayo dito by 5. As De La Cruz is starting to feel it, Benedict couldn't score. On the other side, looking to make things work. Another turnover para dito sa CDO again. Need to take care of that ball. Need to take care of that possession. As you see, Solvera for the latest Saints coming in this game. A 3-ball. That is off. Gets for that rebound. Let's see how will CDO respond here as Minyoza will throw the ball here. Here is Wave. Nice pass. And the basket by AJ, I believe. So for the side of CDO Palmes Farm, it's AJ Kibla and Wave Nuez carrying the scoring load. Speaking of Wave, here he is for 2. Nuez has now made it right for his squad. Cuts the lead to 1. Sends it in the middle for 3. That is off the mark. They throw it. Nuez, nice pass, nice catch. That was AJ Kibla throwing it down to Nuez, and Wave didn't disappoint. Timeout is called by Leyte. What a play. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang...
After that timeout and a basket by Wave Nuez, tignan natin paano re-responde itong mga taga Leyte. As off that timeout, nakakuha agad ng foul, and Minyoza, I believe, will be called for that foul. (38-37). Again, Nuez has been playing well in this third quarter. Pati si AJ Kibla, again, those two players, really two of the reasons why ganda ng laro ng CDO. After trailing by 5, lumamang na ng isa, trailing by 1 again, but a good recovery, talking about this CDO squad. But they cannot stop turning the ball over, na kailangan nilang bawasan dito sa ating third quarter. Dahil nagiging dikit ang laban. As the game goes on, you need to take care of the ball if you are CDO. If you are Leyte on the other side, need to capitalize on every turnover force and have some other players have an opportunity. AJ Kibla, one-hander didn't work. Looking to make a shot here itong Leyte with 5 minutes 10 to go. Matt Sebastian bulldozes his way in. Kibla with defense. Minyoza, another nice pass. Wave looking to turn the tides. Baseline drive is in. What a move by Wave. He has been a problem for Leyte so far in the third quarter. Kanina nakagawa siya ng highlight play, wrap around. That was just the introduction of the Wave Nuez attack. On the other side, Leyte, Justin Delantar off the bench so far. Nagpapahinga pa. So a challenge for the guys in Leyte na makahanap pa ng other guys to score for them aside from Delantar. Minyoza has received that ball, passes it to a teammate, and they will lose the possession. A chance to run, a chance to score. Couldn't find the angle but found the whistle. 40-39 ang ating score with 4 minutes remaining here in the third. Knocking down the first one. Tabla ulit tayo at 40. Again, if this game goes this way hanggang fourth quarter, we will have another possibility of another overtime game dahil after our first game na tambakan, we were greeted with an overtime performance by both teams, Region 2 and Zamboanga. Pero itong si Wave Nuez just attacks fearlessly. Making some waves is Nuez in this game. At the line, he will knock down the first. Again, having a solid third quarter itong si Nuez. Gets that lead back 42-41 with 3 minutes 52 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Again, for Leyte, they need some offensive firepower. They need to get some other sources. Pero andyan na si Delantar. Speaking of which, here is Justin for 3. Off the mark, good rebound by AJ Kilab. Nuez wants the ball. Traveling naman ang itatawag on the other side on MJ. Pagunsan couldn't keep in step on that last one. Will be called for steps. Conise has returned to action. 42-41. Jumper turnaround. Won't fall. Fights for the rebound. Balik sa CDO ang bola. And clearly, in this third quarter, momentum is on the side of CDO. 2 minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Gives it in the post. One bump shot is in. AJ Kilab has been unstoppable inside, has been making those Nikola Jokic type of pass, and has played well for his squad. And speaking of which, good defense. Minyoza looking to rescue that possession. It is back on the side of Leyte. Again, need to figure something out. Medyo bumagal ang opensiba ng mga taga Leyte. They had a 5-point lead early. They had a 3-point lead to start off the half. Then pagsimula ng third quarter natin, they had a 5-point lead, now facing a 3-point deficit. Nagbabalik, Benedict de la Cruz. Justin Delantar for the tie. That is off the mark. Ball is stopped. Kilab with that rebound. AJ Turning the ball over once again, Conise. Couldn't get that basket. Delantar. De La Cruz finally ends the slump for his squad. A minute 50 remaining. And they make on that drive. Minyoza will be shooting his free throws. At ganyan lang talaga ang naging diskarte natin dito sa ating third quarter. Just fearless drives on the side of CDO. Meanwhile, for Leyte, it has been a struggle inside. A struggle converting after building that 5-point lead. AJ Kibla and company just looking to dominate in this game. Natawagan lang sila ng foul. Couldn't get that stop. But lamang sila AJ Kibla ng tatlo dito. Couldn't make on that free throw. One out of two para sa Leyte. Down by only 2 points here, 46-40. And the penalty situation na para sa Leyte, meaning free throws going in for Minyoza. So it's penalty situation. So susubukan ni Minyoza to increase the lead here. Yuan has played solid for his squad. Cannot hit the free throw. AJ Kibla. Tsaka itong si Wave Nuez. The 1-2 punch so far for CDO has led their team here for a 5-point comeback early in the third quarter, and now lamang na sila ng tatlo. Calling for time. We are going back after this break courtesy of Pound Fitness. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
Of that quick break, lamang ng tatlo, itong CDO Palmes Farms, 47-44 ang ating score. A traveling call on latest Saints. Benedict De La Cruz and company need to tighten up that defense as we approach the final minute dito sa ating third quarter. Minyoza will receive the ball back with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Yuan scores on that move, almost getting that basket in. De La Cruz will tap it. Balik dito kay Benedict De La Cruz for two. 47-46 is the score, and a steal by Delantar. Justin with a steal, a basket by Maiso. Balik sa Leyte ang kalamangan this time. Ooh, losing the ball there. Unfortunate time for CDO to be turning the ball over as they look to regain the lead after two solid defensive plays by Leyte. Benedict De La Cruz will give it to Maiso on that last second pass, recovered by Minyoza. Going for the push. It is recovered, a foul is drawn, balik sa free throw area. Itong CDO. Russell Alimong. Maganda yung napakita niya nung first quarter but hasn't really continued his way in. Tingnan natin if in the fourth quarter he will be more productive for his team as he missed the first free throw, misses on the second, ball is tapped, balik sa CDO ang bola. Magkakaroon sila ng pagkakataon dito to have the lead with 9.4 seconds remaining here on the game for the third quarter. Turnaround jumper for Russell, I should say. Alimong gives them the lead. 49-48. Mintis yung dalawang free throw ni Alimong but gets that rebound. Gets that basket to go. Russell Alimong gives CDO the lead 49-48. Exciting fourth quarter action once again coming up. Stay tuned.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro.
Fourth quarter action dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Traveling call on Wave Nuez to start things off para dito sa CDO. They are up 48-47. 49-48 actually is the score. Delantar has been quiet and he lost the possession. Nuez has the ball on the left side. Wave for two. 51-48. Benedict De La Cruz looks to feed his big inside and one to start off the fourth quarter. What a basket going in here for the Saints. Conrad Hunsay will look to complete the three-point play at itabla na naman tayo sa ating laro. Will tie the game at 51. Again, would like to greet everyone. A special shout out po. Everyone supporting Leyte and CDO. Kanya-kanyang mga players, kamag-anak at kaibigan. No, I hope you're enjoying the broadcast as that putback going in para dito sa kampo ng CDO courtesy of one of their bigs. Ito kaya John Escol. Will be called for a traveling itong si Hunsay. Looking to break the tie once again. This time, di diskarte itong CDO. Wave Nuez has been scoring well. I will call that a pass. Escol scores once again. So that's back-to-back mix para dito kay Escol. With 8:10 remaining here into our fourth quarter. Goes for that shot, didn't go in. Rebound secured here by Russell. Alimong will almost lose that ball. Referees will call a whistle. Kickball nga lang. Balik ang bola sa Leyte Saints. (55-51), both baskets going for Escol para dito sa kampo ng CDO. Making his presence felt inside itong si John Escol. Meanwhile, on the side of Leyte, medyo nanahimik itong si Justin Delantar. But one way for him to get his mojo, one way for him to get his groove back is to be at the free throw area. Let's see if Justin Delantar can add more points. Actually, Delantar and De La Cruz, the double D attack for this Leyte Saints squad, medyo nanahimik dito sa ating second half. Those two are two of the reasons why they were leading at halftime. Talking about Delantar and De La Cruz. Yun nga lang, medyo nanahimik sila. Mahatma, nice feed. Just couldn't finish the wave on that last play. Let's see if they can recover here. A trap. De La Cruz will pass it to no one. As the pass was too high, balik ang bola dito sa kampo ng CDO. (55-52) ang ating score. A 3-point lead for CD. Oh, what a move! Woo! Wave Nuez. What a game for you, young man. Nuez just putting everyone on notice. That was a smooth move. You can call him Sharday. He's a smooth operator. Talking about Wave Nunes. And a foul is called on the other side. Balik sa free throw area. Sebastian will be called for a fifth foul. Now shooting at the free throw area, Alupani. Sonny couldn't complete his first trip. Sonny makes it 1 out of 2. 58-52 ating score with 6 minutes 5 remaining here into the fourth quarter. Maiso for 3. That is off the mark. Gets his rebound. Kibla was there. Tumama lang sa kanyang ball. Again, AJ Kibla having a solid performance in the third quarter. 58-52. 5 minutes 36 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Nuez is open once again on the left, but decides to drive, extra pass. No whistle is called, but a traveling instead of a foul on that last play. Six-point lead, 58-52. Goes for that 1-2 step, won't fall. Gets that rebound. Was a AJ Kibla. And having a solid game itong si AJ Kibla. But so far, itong si Wave Nuez really is impressive so far in this contest. has made a countless of baskets. Memorable. Speaking of which, that goes in for Mahatma Adong and one. 60-52 is the score as Mahatma Adong will look to complete his three-point play. He will miss, but a rebound by AJ Kibla. They will send it out, look to swing it. Traveling call on a Minyoza. Wave Nuez, I should say, was asking for that ball with 4 minutes 27 remaining. Guys from Leyte will call for time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga.
4 minutes 20 remaining here inside Banana Court. CDO with a 8-point lead as Nuez and company looking to secure their first win dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. But on the other side, that is Justin Delantar completing that play through contact. Let's see if he can complete the end one. Delantar will knock down the bonus free throw. And after that timeout by Leyte, CDO naman ngayon ang magkocall ng timeout. Delantar with a much needed 3-point play basket. We'll be right back to continue this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang
60-55 is our tally with 3 minutes 50 remaining of the timeout. Para dito sa CDO, they turn the ball right away, giving Leyte a chance to make a run towards the end of, or the latter stage of this fourth quarter. 3:35 remaining. Let's see if Leyte can make some response. Delantar, 3-point play kanina, couldn't make it 5 straight. And a chance to run. Here is Wave Nuez for 2. The smooth operator, Wave Nuez, has done it again. Delantar for 3. That is off the mark. AJ Kibla couldn't get that rebound. De La Cruz will start the inbound para dito sa kampo ng Leyte. 62-55. Ball is stopped. Balik dito sa kampo ng Leyte. Couldn't get that basket to go in. Maiso will be called for his 4th foul. Now making another run. Nuez. Ooh! He's been amazing in this game. Talking about Wave Nuez. Delantara, Trey won't fall. Nuez and company looking to put an end into this game. Referees will call a blocking foul. Just amazing performance for Wave Nuez. Mahatma Adong will be at the line, looking to increase the lead here to double digits as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. Knocks down the second one. 10 na ang kalamangan dito ng CDO. Nuez has been really the difference maker for the CDO squad. Getting that put back to go in. Again, marami pang oras dito with a minute 48 remaining dito sa ating contest. Referees will call a foul and a bit of frustration on the side of Benedict de la Cruz and Mahatma Adong. A double foul is issued by our referees. Nuez starts off the play, gives it to his big AJ with a miss. Follow-up won't work, but there is a foul call as MJ will be at the line. Pagunsan will look to add more points into his name and will have to add more points into the total. Pagunsan misses on the first though. Pag napasok to ni MJ, 3 possession ball game, 9-point lead. A much better place. Let's see if they can convert their shots. Misses both on that last one. Delantar looks to shoot that 3. A pass. It's too strong. Looking to recover. Nice smart play. A bit too excited was Wave Nuez that time. Looking to save that, or has saved that ball. Looking to add more points into his name. With a minute 23 remaining, starts the inbound. Adong uses the pick. At the free throw area, jumper by Adong is in. Maybe the nail of the game para dito sa CDO. A big basket by Adong. A spin, shot, miss. Kilab with the rebound will locate a teammate. Looking to cross that half-court line. Adong once again. Nuez. Easiest 2 points off the ball game. As he puts another point in his name. He has put on a show in this contest. But that end one still gives Leyte a slight glimmer of hope as they cut the lead to 10. 59-69. Free throw tayo sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay.
looking to complete this 3-point play. After that timeout, a miss. 10 pa rin ang kalamangan. A steal by Benedict De La Cruz. Again, he has gone quiet in the second half. Just a dip on his performance. Silang dalawa ni Delantar. As these two teams not letting up, not giving up on this game with 20.9 seconds remaining. CDO looking to close in the game. Again, what an impressive performance by Wave Nuez. Nagpapakilala dito sa ating Battle of Champions. Wave Nuez, one of the players that we need to watch out for, especially in this under-16 division. Can see why he and his squad went to the finals dun sa CDO. Justin Delantar scores and a foul will be called here with 9.4 seconds remaining. So looking to close the gap. Mahatma Adong made that jumper earlier over Benedict De La Cruz. Yun nga lang, di pumasok yung kanyang unang attempt. Adong will make sure pasok na yung pangalawa. 8-point lead with 9.4 seconds remaining. Delantar in a hurry. One leg shot for the three-pointer. Putback is in with 2.5. Just need to get this inbound across and you will have this victory. Pero with 1.2, fa-foul pa rin itong latest Saints. And it's safe to say for this game, CDO will make it 2-0 at least for this game day. Yung kanilang under 14 nanalo kanina, scoring 102 points. Right now, Mahatma Adong and crew will look to give CDO their second victory, scoring 72. If he scores this one, 73 total points. Adong makes it both, and this will be our game as Conise will not make that shot. Impressive performance for Wave Nuez. Again, introducing himself dito sa ating contest, sa ating Battle of Champions. CDO 2-0. Under 14 panalo, under 16 panalo. Dito 73-65 is the game. CDO with the victory. Third game natin tapos na. Fourth game incoming dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Jr. MPBL Battle of Champions.
Liga ng